it's not often I'll make a point of going out on Richard's test drive in the cars. Fucking hell! Well, I'm not going to be able to edit the swearing out of that. I was not expecting that, Rich. That was quick. I'm glad you couldn't see my face on that video though, because that would be eyes well closed.
What can you handle that though?
It was quick. Stock Peugeot 205 brakes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. That is awesome. I'm gobsmacked how quick that is. What did I expect? I mean, it's a 700 kilo car with, you know, we've just put 220 brake horsepower in it. That's phenomenal. It's all about power to weight ratio.